It's time to take my pants off and
I did it. I did it.
oh, that is what is that? Good morning, world, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. I made myself some brekkie this morning, some egg, grapes, and bacon, and then I got myself a cup of joe. Oh, and yes, people, Rupert is still alive and well. He's been cuddling me every single night. Thanks for being you, Rupe. I just want to let everybody know thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. We hit 80K, which is so crazy. Also, keep listening to Mark's new song, Threesome. It's seriously a banger, let me tell you. And follow and subscribe to all my friends down in my description below. Yeah, should we just get into the vlog? Okay. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Having a cute pool day. Mark and Pearson are gone. Finally. So I'm just chilling on this giant piece of pizza. Weird, I'm on a piece of pizza. I don't even like pizza.
I have a probiotic and an MSM glucosamine condolentin that I'm about to take because I just worked out with a little sparkling water.
Damn, you crushed that.
Delicious.
What are you sitting on my ween for, dude?
Well, I feel it. Ah!
That's my phone.
Oh. It will be okay. You'll find love in LA. Don't worry.
I'm not looking for love in LA. Cause it looks so pretty.
You look so pretty.
That's how you flirt.
Yeah. Was that really bad?
It's a little cheesy.
I have no game.
I would love to see. Yeah, you do.
I have no game.
You get shy in front of everybody.
I do get very shy.
You should try to push yourself out of your comfort zone. Even though you know you're gonna be uncomfortable, you should do things that make you go out of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
Like knowing going in that you're gonna be uncomfortable, do it. And if people don't like who you are, then fuck it. Who gives a fuck what other people think?
Yeah.
Actually.
I am at Graham's right now. He's about to do some extensions on my hair. This is the before, and we'll show you the after when it's after.
Some thickies with some inches, some thickies with some
You
inches.
guys, that's so cool. Now I can get all the dates.
Tinder, are you Bumble, are you Raya, are you Hinge? Are you a
Neither.
Hinger?
You know what? Neither. I like to meet them, in, you know, the
you,
right
you like
way.
them to slide in the DMs.
DMs.
That's what it is.
That's what it is. Like your hair.
Thank you.
It looks so good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
New style alert, guys.
Yeah.
Just rocking it different,
Look
you know?
at you guys.
You know how
comment down below if you like his haircut. If you think he's 10 times cuter than last time.
I would say the same about you, but I'd be lying. You look a lot different with long hair, to be honest.
Really? Like you like short and long?
No, I didn't say long. I said I like your hair short. I do like it, but I do like your hair shorter.
Okay, I'll take it. We have the lovely Kristen. We kind of look like sisters now.
Get out of
you know
here.
Saying? Like,
I'm
we
not
look
a
like
twin,
we're like
triplet.
sisters than me and my twin do.
Actually though.
Lyra, I'm so sorry, but
No wonder why. Like, Mark, you know. You know it. He has a type.
What?
long blonde hairs,
Great personalities.
Females.
amazing
I
personality.
have a type.
Funny.
Females.
Anyone he can get.
All right, Kristen and I are doing arts and crafts of our asses and giving it to Mark.
That's it. So we're gonna take some body paint. We're gonna paint the buttocks area, and we're gonna take a little squat on the canvas.
Then he's gonna put them on the wall, right?
He better.
It's time to take my pants off and paint my butt.
I did it. I said. I missed it. Oh, that is.
What is that?
I'm actually crying. What is going? Oh my! This is so bad. You think I should sit up? Yeah. That noise better than mine.
My painting turned out so bad. I'm
Terrible.
so bad at
It looks like my niece, when she was 5 years old, is like, hey, Mark, look at my school project. And I'd be like, yeah, that's really good. But the fact that you're 26 and this is what you came up with.
Mark!
Look at this, dude.
Hers is way better than
This
mine.
looks like a damn tadpole.
Oh, sorry.
What's that, dude?
It's good to see you. All right, cool.
Alright, see you later.
All right, see you, dude. It's good to see you again. You dropped my whipped cream. Get the whipped cream off the floor. My whipped cream.
Oh my god.
I guess the guys don't want to be in my outro
I guess.
because they don't care about me.
Because they're fake.
Fake! Come here. Come on.
Right here, just
Alright. Okay. Are we all good? You go here. Okay, there you go.
Oh, you guys are tooting all the time. It's disgusting. Quit tooting on Mark's head, dude. Oh.
Here's a pillow for your head.
No.
Thank you guys for watching my exciting vlog. Please follow all these amazing people. They're gonna be linked down in my description below. Also, please keep streaming Mark's song Threesome. It's a banger. It's blowing up on TikTok. It's freaking getting 1.3
1.3 million streams.
1.3 million streams. 1, 2, 3.
Say bye.
Bye.